welcome or welcome back to Let's Unbound. And today we are going to see one question that came in Math Kangaroo 2024 examination as a 3-marker for grade 7 and 8. So I hope you all are ready. If yes, do hit the like button below. So let's see the first question. So the question says, which of the following strings cannot be formed into the string shown below without any cuttings? So let's see. If you will see this string which they have provided us in the figure, if we are going to move this part of the string towards this direction, it will form a complete one loop, correct? A circular loop. Now let's see which of the following options can be transformed into this loop, right? So if we start with the very first option, now in the first option, if we are going to move this part towards this direction, right? So it is going to open up from the bottom, and then again we can move the other part to make a complete one whole loop, right? And in the end, it is going to look like a loop. If we will do this, so it is going to look like a loop only. One part from here, so it will become a complete loop like this, right? And then from here again, we can unfold it to a loop, right? So that means option A is not our correct answer. Now, if we see option number C, now in option number C, if we put this part, if we are going to move this much part towards this direction, so it is going to again open up, right? And then just below it, there is another part, this one, which we can move towards this direction. So it is again going to form a complete whole one loop, a circular loop. Correct? Just we are removing one part from the other. And if we start from the topmost layer and then we will move the second layer, it will form a circular loop. So that means this is also not our correct option. If we look carefully, D part, it's pretty simple. We just have to move this part towards this direction, right? And it will form a circular loop again, right? And same goes with E option as well. If we are going to move this part here and this one here, so it is going to form a circular loop again. There are no cuts or nothing is required, right? But if you will see option number B, it is a trifold, right? So if we are going to move this part here and this part here, it will form a knot in between because they all are just above one another. So we will not be able to unfold it into a circular loop, right? So from here, our correct option is option number B. I hope it makes sense, and I am going to meet you soon again in the next video with our second question. So till then, keep learning,